What's up, guys? We're out here on the creek. We're gonna be doing some bass fishing. I'm gonna do a combination of stuff today. I got some live bait and also I'm gonna probably throw around some plastics and stuff. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Out here on the creek, I gotta get it. Out here on the creek, I'm gonna try to get us some minnows for bait. I got this cute little net. Oh man, this thing. I don't know about this thing, guys. It's a cute little net. We gonna be able to catch anything with this thing? So we can get us some bait here. See something in there. Ooh, a little shiner. We'll take it. Just trying to catch some minnows for bait. That was not a very good opening. People down here swimming in the creek. That's cool. That's what's up. I'm gonna throw behind all this stuff. All right, we're gonna go back up. All right, y'all. We're out here on the creek. It's like 2:30. It's pretty late. Got a pretty late start, but wanted to come down here for a couple or an hour or two and try to catch some smallmouth and show you guys how I do it. This is a really cheap way to catch a lot of smallmouth in a short amount of time. I have a Hooker's terminal tackle octa stinger or 1/0. Have that snelled on some 12-pound trilene monofilament. I've got a little split shot tied on there, and have a 3-inch peg float. And that 3-inch peg float, I use these. I have a whole bunch of these, and I use them for catfishing, for dragging in the Ohio River into reservoirs for channel cats and blues. But yeah, it's just a real simple slip rig. And I have, you saw me down there catch some suckers and some shiners with my little cast net, throwing in that riffle. And I have them all in there in that little bucket. I think I have 7 or 8 of them to work with. And we're just gonna put them, kind of hook them through the nose here and just cast them almost free floating underneath this bobber. And I like the 3-inch peg floats because those little minnows can't pull this thing all the way under, but a smallmouth sure can, so it's kind of the perfect combo. The trick to this is not to drop your minnow. We're gonna feed him on just like that. That's perfect. Those smallmouth, they cannot stand a live minnow like that. We're just gonna throw that thing. Oh wow, that was quick. Wow, that was super quick. My cork was too loose. Well, dang. It's not 10 seconds in the water. I might need to break out my little 4-foot cast net again and get some more of these, if that's what they're gonna do to them. That was crazy fast. I only got like 7 or 8 of these guys. Well, there's some big small jaws in here. There's some fish pushing 3 pounds, probably even bigger than that. I'm gonna send him on that deep edge and just let him float down. just gonna work this thing. As we move up the creek here, we're just gonna work this thing up and down this bank. That little split shot on that little octopus hook is gonna make that bait go down. Oh, he missed him. That was definitely a hit. Yeah, he's dead now. Come on now. Oh, missed him. How did we miss him? Toss this thing along that edge. That current, take that sucker minnow down. Well, I tell you what, this minute's seen better days. I'm gonna float this whole shore here. See if we can get something going. I think I need to be closer though. Maybe a little bit closer. There we go. I've yet to catch a smallie. We've had a bunch of bites. First cast that I had a bite in the first like 5 seconds. But then it kind of slowed down. It's pretty hot. It's not really the greatest time. It's like almost 3 o'clock now. Alright, we're back at it. Went ahead and moved down to a different section here. Just looking for some active fish. Still pretty low on bait. Oh, there's a leaf. Come on now. Fishing all day. Oh, a lot. It's fishing for a lot of the day. Oh, something's got it. Oh, we got one now. We got one now. Hopefully he stays buttoned. Doing some tricks. It's a good smallmouth. There we go. Now that's a proper smallie. Not bad. Come here, small jaw. There he is. Not a huge one, but it's a big. The first fish of the day at almost 5 o'clock. The evening bite's starting to kick on. Hopefully, it's a decent fish. Not too bad. Sweet. I'll let him go. That's what we were looking for some small jaws. That bait was dead too. It wasn't moving or anything. He just seen it coming by and he got it. So many leaves back there. Man, there could be smallies all up in here. It's pretty deep. But it's kind of hard to tell what's the bobber and what's the leaf. I don't know. I'm just gonna let it ride. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. I got it for now. What is this? It's running upstream, whatever it is. Yep, that's a good one there. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good smallie. That's a good one. Yes, sir. See, it's cool about fishing these creeks. Once you find one, like a good sized one, chances are there's a bunch more. Where are you going? What are you doing, small jaw? See, I'm hard. I was running out of bait too. Got to get him on a couple fish. Hey, look at this guy. He might give us our bait back. I don't know. If we're lucky. I missed one about this size earlier. On a piece of cut. Here we go. He's about tuckered out. It's too hot, ain't it, buddy? There. That's pretty deep right there. I don't think that bait's skirting the bottom. Deep is relative, guys. I mean, it's probably, if it's 5-6 feet, we've hit gold. I doubt it's that deep, but ain't too bad. There ought to be some more active fish in here. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you a trick with these soft plastics here. I'm switching up from the live bait to the soft plastics, as I honestly don't feel like throwing the net around anymore. So this is I think it's 2 and what is this? Yeah, it's 2.8 inch Kitech, and these are great for smallies. The problem with plastics is they rip off the hook real easy, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna start this thing. Before I get to the end, I'm gonna take my crazy glue here. Nice little dabble. Try not to get that stuff on my hands. And there we go. Now that thing should stay buttoned up. You can do that for your for like crappie jigs and stuff too. It'll keep them on the jigs longer. These Kitechs are pretty soft. A couple fish and these things will get tore up, but yeah, it's just a little trick you can do to keep your soft plastics on your jigs. There's a fish. Not a very big one. Small jaw. Hey. Little small jaw. There he goes. Cool. How deep is it down there?
Huh?
How deep is it?
It gets real shallow. Over there, like where you're at.
Yeah, there's like a ledge right here.
I just swam like all the way down
I can tell it's pretty deep.
yeah, like right here.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
That ain't bad though.
if you go to a lot of nature parks and you fish a lot,
Oh yeah.
nature, that place has a lot of wildlife. It's really like alive out there.
I was out there one day and I saw a mink crossing the creek, like probably 30 feet from me, and had a rabbit in its mouth. So I know what you're saying. Yeah, I live kind of out there, out that way. So
That's probably my favorite place to be. Okay. Wow.
we're out of here. If you stuck out this long, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.